يسعد مساكم. Hello everyone.
In this video, we will learn how to copy a value to another cell in Excel. From Developer, Visual Basic, Sub, Copy, Value. Copying, F10, Value to F12, Range Statement, F10, Period, Copy, Range, F12, Period, Paste Special, Excel, Paste, Values, and that's it. An informative message box. Now we need to assign the macro to the shape already created here. Right click, assign macro. 4 macros can be seen here. Copy value. OK. Implementing this macro, we can find the value is copied with an informative message. Thanks for watching.